Hello everyone, my name is Ranjitha and I am from AIML department at Dayanand Sagar Academy of Technology and Management. I am very happy to share my experience with AT&T. Before that, I would like to sincerely thank my college and respected principal sir for providing me this wonderful opportunity. And I am very grateful to my head of department, Dr. Sandhya Iyen, for her constant guidance and encouragement to me throughout the process. And coming to my selection process, it was a great learning journey and I got an opportunity to strengthen my knowledge in areas like programming, problem solving and core concepts of machine learning. Throughout the process, I improved my understanding in data structures, algorithms and model building that really helped me to perform better in interviews. And I'm very excited to begin my journey with AT&T and apply my technical skills in real world projects, and let's see how it goes. And to my juniors, I would say focus on building strong fundamentals and practice regularly. And thank you so much for listening.